Right, here's a brief run through of my arcade stick with a modified Xbox controller. Here's a controller, battery pack, cover off. Very important to use a hot glue gun on the soldering so the wires don't come away. Wiring up to the switches, and it also has a small 2-inch trackball with 2 buttons for left and right mouse click. Zippy stick, which has I've modified that slightly for a quick release for 4-way and 8-way. So there you go. And here we have the top. Not sure whether to put stickers on it yet, but there you go. It's and the only problem I have, which I regret, is the spacing for these buttons here. They are a bit wide, but I didn't actually cut the pass the blame. I didn't cut the top. Anyway, those are screws for the stick. That's the Xbox button. These 2 buttons on top above the trackball are left and right mouse click. I'll show you that later. And then round the back is the sync button and the connection, the PS2 connection for the trackball. It's the only wire. Obviously it's wireless normally, but if I want to use the trackball it is wired, and here is a active PS2 to USB cable, so the PC detects it as a USB, and that plugs on there. And then the trackball lights up as well. Right, let's see it in action. Right, so in the corner of the room there's the massive PC with extra storage on the top, 4 extra hard drives, and this is basically a media center for everything playing, you know, Battlefield and Mame and everything really, watching movies. There we are. Right, and then here we are, projector running, and you should be able to see, if I can get it right, trackball and the mouse pointer running, and it does right click, left click, press the Xbox button, and that should show up then in the Pinnacle profiler, which I use for Hyperspin. Let's run Hyperspin. Click on that. Right, finally Hyperspin's running. Go to favourites. And run main. Right, so the menu is those two, I think. and this is where you set the either general or this game controls. And the only thing to remember, once all your controls are set up, I've set the trackball up for racing games as well, but once you've set all your controls up, then you need to change the main config file, I think it is, to read only, because once you turn the controllers off, if you run MAME again without the controllers on, I think it doesn't remember the settings, so you change the config file to read only. Right, and there we are. I think that's it. And get back, it's press those two again, and we're back into Hyperspin. Alright, thanks. Just running Marble Madness to show the trackball. Trying to play it through a mobile phone is clever. There you go. Very good.